Best Desiccant Dehumidifier for your home. Desiccant Dehumidifier. A desiccant dehumidifier is a machine that removes moisture from the air. 5 Best Desiccant Dehumidifier for your home. Number 1. Ivation 13-pint Small Area Desiccant Dehumidifier. This compact and quiet dehumidifier includes a continuous drain hose for smaller spaces and has a range of up to 270 square feet. Number 2. 4 packs 40 gram indicating silica gel desiccant canister. Silica gel desiccant canister is a great way to ensure your food storage or storage container stays fresh. Number 3. 50 gram pack desiccant dehumidifier. Our 50 grams pack of 10 packets of dry and dry silica gel offers the best value for your money. Each pack provides 10 days of effective humidity control. Number 4. Full Bow Silica Gel Desiccant Dehumidifier. The Full Bow Silica Gel canister contains full of silica gel to absorb water vapor and slowly release it into the air to create a moist environment. Number 5. 40 gram Silica Gel Dehumidifier Desiccant. The Silica Gel Dehumidifier is a uniquely designed product that will work with you in your quest to dehumidify your pantry or basement.